Picture this. You walk into a world where power meets elegance, where precision meets art, and where luxury doesn't whisper, it commands attention. This is the 2026 Audi A8, a masterpiece, engineered for those who refuse to settle for ordinary. A car built for leaders, for achievers, for anyone who believes that the thrill of driving should never fade. And today, you're about to experience it like never before. The 2026 S8 stands boldly, wrapped in Audi's signature design language, refined, muscular, and unmistakably premium. Its presence alone feels like an announcement. The sharp LED matrix headlights ignite with a futuristic glow, slicing through the air like a pair of intelligent eyes. The massive single-frame grille is wider, prouder, and more aggressive than ever. Every line, every contour, every curve is crafted to balance aerodynamics and aesthetics, giving the S8 a stance that is both elegant and intimidating. Move closer, and the details start to speak. The glossy paint reflects light like liquid metal. The chrome accents shimmer with subtle confidence. The sculpted hood hints at the beast waiting beneath a powerful engine designed to outperform expectations. And when the engine roars to life, it's not just sound, it's emotion. Under the hood sits a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, delivering breathtaking power with seamless precision. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system works in perfect harmony, allowing the S8 to grip the road like it's reading your intentions. Whether you're accelerating on a straight stretch or gliding through tight corners, this sedan feels unbelievably smooth yet explosively powerful. It's business-class comfort with supercar attitude. Inside, the luxury becomes personal. The cabin of the 2026 Audi S8 is crafted for those who demand perfection in every detail. Soft Valcona leather wraps around the seats like custom-tailored clothing. Diamond stitching, heated and ventilated features, and massaging functions turn every drive into a first-class experience. The ambient lighting glows softly throughout the interior, creating a mood that is both relaxing and futuristic. Sit behind the wheel, and the world suddenly feels quieter, calmer, and more refined. Audi's virtual cockpit Plus dominates the dashboard with razor-sharp digital clarity. Every control, every button, and every interface feels intuitive, designed around the driver, for the driver. The dual touchscreen layout flows seamlessly into the center console, offering instant access to navigation, entertainment, and driving dynamics. With the latest MMI system, the S8 responds to your voice, your touch, and your style. And then there's the sound system. The 2026 S8 can be equipped with a world-class Bang & Olufsen 3D premium audio system, a concert hall embedded inside a luxury sedan. Every note, every beat, every whisper of your favorite track fills the cabin with pure, vibrant detail. For music lovers, this isn't just audio, it's art. But performance and comfort are only part of what makes the S8 extraordinary. The ride quality is engineered to adapt instantly using predictive suspension technology. Cameras scan the road ahead in real time, adjusting every millisecond to keep the cabin smooth, stable, and silent. It's like floating across the road, even at high speeds. Safety? Audi takes it to a new level. With advanced driver assistance systems, the S8 stays alert even when you're relaxed. Lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, emergency braking, cross-traffic alerts, everything works together to protect you, your passengers, and everyone around you. This is luxury with intelligence. And finally, the rear seat experience. The 2026 Audi S8 doesn't forget its VIP passengers. Rear executive seating, dual entertainment displays, wireless charging, and exceptional legroom turn the backseat into a moving lounge. Whether you're being chauffeured or driving yourself, the S8 ensures you feel like royalty. The 2026 Audi S8 isn't just a car, it's a statement. A symbol of success, confidence, and unstoppable ambition. It blends power with elegance, technology with comfort, and performance with prestige. If you're looking for a sedan that elevates every moment from your daily commute to your late-night highway drives, this is the one. So if you enjoyed this voiceover and want more luxury car content, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Your next dream car review is just one click away.